Hello everyone, I am Jahnavi from IT. Today here I discuss about one basic program that means duplicate pairs program. Here you see that given n and n numbers, find how many duplicate pairs can be performed. A pair is duplicate if the binary representation, the sum of all digits is same. For example, 5 and 3 have the binary representation of 101 and 11, and the sum of the digits is 2, so they form a binary pair. Given an array, find out how many duplicate pairs are there. So by using the 0 of n time and not 0 of n square time, this is the input format and this is the output format. This is a sample input and these are the sample output. By using this we want to find out, we want to make the duplicate pairs. We want to make okay, to solve the problem we want to find how many duplicate pairs can be performed based on the sum of the binary digits. And the problem statement, the given problem statement is, for example, given an array n integers, find out the number of pairs. For example, you have to take the I comma j, they are the two pairs where the sum of the binary digits of number of i's is equals to the sum of the binary digits of number of j. So we want to find out the binary digit sum calculation. For each number, we have to compute the binary digits. By this is the code. First, we have to write the integer dot bit dot count number. By using the we can calculate easily. And frequency count, we want in frequency count we have to use the hash map. By using the hash map we can count the number of digits and number of binary digits. And counting pairs, by using the counting pairs we can by using the counting pairs we can sum in the hash map. If the sum is appears the times the number of pairs that can be, by using the formula we can count the pairs. For example, c of k comma 2 is equals to k into k minus 1 half by 2. This By using this formula we can count the pairs. By using the input, first we want to read the integers which indicates the number of elements and n integers into the array. Next we want to calculate the sum of binary digits. For each number we have to compute the sum of binary digits and update the frequency count in the hash map. By using the hash map we can easily find out the duplicate pairs. And for each number, some compute the binary digit and update the frequency count in a hash map. And counting pairs iterate throughout the values in the hash map. So for each frequency count, we want to calculate the number of pairs by using the formula c of count comma 2 is equals to count into count minus 1 by 2. By using this formula we can easily count the pairs of the binary representation. So by using the, finally we want to write the sum up all the pairs and print the result. Thank you.